You only need to understand two things to get generative AI: embeddings and vector database. First, let's talk about embeddings. They convert text into numbers and we call them vectors. Think of them as a list of numbers that capture meaning. The key idea is text with similar meaning will have similar vectors. For example, dog and puppy will have very similar vectors even though the words are different. Now, vector database is just a place where these vectors are stored and it helps us quickly find the most relevant or similar vectors. When you ask a question, an embedding model will convert your question into vector. Then the vector database will find the closest piece of information. Then those pieces get passed to large language model to use when writing the answer. For example, if you ask what is our refund policy, the system finds your actual policy document and feed it to the large language model. So it gives your answer, not made up one. Large language model have training from knowledge, but it can be outdated or wrong. Sometimes they make up answers. We call that hallucination, and that's where vector databases comes in. They store your reliable and up-to-date documents. So instead of guessing, the model gets the right information before generating the answer. If you understand embeddings and vector databases, you basically understand how generative AI works. Everything else is built on top of this.